In this video, I'll show you how to earn money on Binance without any initial investment. The first method is Binance Learn and Earn. This is the easiest way to get started. All you have to do is go to the Learn and Earn section on Binance, complete some short educational courses, and answer a few quiz questions at the end. Once you pass the quiz, free crypto tokens will be sent directly to your Binance wallet. It is completely free and takes just a few minutes. The second method is the Binance referral program. Go to your account and find your unique referral link. Share that link with your friends and family. Every time someone signs up and starts trading using your link, you will earn a commission on their trading fees automatically. The more people you refer, the more you earn. The third method is Binance Launch Pool. This section allows you to farm new crypto tokens from upcoming projects. Sometimes you can participate for free or by simply holding a small amount of crypto in your account. You do not need to buy anything to get started. The fourth method is Binance Academy tasks. Binance regularly runs campaigns that reward users for learning about blockchain and crypto. Keep an eye on the Academy section and participate in any active campaigns to claim free rewards. The fifth method is Simple Earn vouchers. Binance sometimes offers free vouchers to new users that can be staked to earn interest over time. Check the promotion section of your account to see if any vouchers are available for you. That is how you do it.